Good morning. I'm Jason Safian. Today on Unique Wisconsin, we're in the southwestern part of the state in Iowa County, exploring the absolutely beautiful Rustic Road 75. There are roads that take you somewhere, and there are roads that slow you down enough to notice where you already are. Rustic Road 75, tucked into the hills of Iowa County, is one of those places. At just under 4 miles long, this route winds through the quiet countryside of southwest Wisconsin, where history, landscape, and time seem to move at their own pace. This stretch of Rustic Road connects County A to County G, following portions of Ogden, Bromley, and Turnbull Roads, cutting through the town of Mifflin. But what makes this road different isn't just where it goes, it's where it comes from. This is the heart of Wisconsin's Welsh Settlement, where immigrants from Wales settled in the mid-1800s, bringing with them traditions, farming practices, and a deep connection to the land that still echoes today. The roads leading to Rustic Road 75 are some of the most beautiful in the state. And as we drive on Rustic Road 75, it doesn't have a dramatic feel, and that's exactly the point. The road narrows, the pace drops. You start to notice things that would normally pass by without a second thought. The curve of a fence line, the way the hills roll instead of rise, the quiet. Wildlife is everywhere here, though not always obvious. Deer move along the tree lines, turkeys run in a distant field, birds cut across the sky. And if you stop long enough, the silence starts to reveal things you didn't notice at first. One of the defining features of Rustic Road 75 is the mix of surfaces. Sections of smooth pavement give way to gravel. Not as an inconvenience, but as a reminder. You're not meant to rush through here. The change under your tires forces you to slow down, to feel the road instead of just drive it. This part of Iowa County is defined by its gentle, steady terrain. Fields stretch in every direction, broken by clusters of trees and old farmsteads. In the warmer months, wildflowers line the edges of the road, adding color to an already peaceful landscape. And no matter the season, there's always movement. Wind through the grass, birds overhead, life without artificial noise. It's easy to forget that roads like this were once lifelines. For the Welsh settlers who built lives here, this wasn't scenery, it was survival. Every field, every structure, every mile of road was shaped by people who chose this place and stayed. That's what makes rustic roads different. They don't try to impress you, they just exist, and give you the space to experience them however you want.
Taking my time as the sun it shines on me and everyone that has come to find. This world is cruel, but there's nothing new. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Salted towns are where I'd rather be. They give me love and they set me free. The ocean's tides can't live without the moon. And darling, the same goes for me and you. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Now. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth. Let's go slow. Living in the moment is the only truth.
As we come to the end of Rustic Road 75, we find that it just continues with more of the same quiet beauty that carried you the whole way. And somehow, that's enough. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here today and joining me on Unique Wisconsin as we explored Rustic Road 75.